Hello everyone, my name is Edward Amakun and I welcome you to my YouTube video. In today's video, it's going to be a quick one. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how to add YouTube subscribe button to your videos like what you just saw right now. Okay, yes, how to add it to your video. Okay, so I'm going to use Wondershare Filmora 10 to show you on how to add it. This is my green screen subscribe button. Somebody will ask, how do I even get that? Now this is very easy. If you want to get that green screen subscribe button, this is my YouTube. Just go to your YouTube, the search button, and then you click or search for green screen subscribe button, and then you search for that. Once you search, you are going to get a lot of videos about that. Okay, good. So this is green screen subscribe button. That is what you see. So I'll go in for the one which says no copyright. Click on, and here we go. This is it. So the first thing that has to come inside your mind is to, how do I download this? Very simple. What you have to do is go to your where you see the www.youtube.com/watch. Click on that and make sure that you turn or you push your cursor to where you see the W in front of the W after the www dot, and then you add ss to the YouTube. Okay, so you are going to get www.ssyoutube.com/watch, and then the rest follows. Then you go ahead and press on enter. It will take you to YouTube video downloader. Here is it, and over here, this is how I used to download my YouTube videos. Okay, so I've shown you one thing. Then you go ahead and click on download. Once you click on download, go to your computer where you have your download folder, and here is it. This is the video. So what you have to do is to drag the video and drop it to my Filmora 10. Okay, so I'll click and drag it to my Filmora. That is it. Alright, so let's move on to know how to add it to your video. Okay, so this is a short video, a long video that I just did today. So I'm going to use this one to show you. I'll click the video, drop it to my timeline. Okay, and then the timeline, we have almost about a lot of timeline, so I'm dropping it to the first timeline. Okay, the video. So let me click on this, the keep project match. So I'm going to get a very short video like this. All right, let me drop it down and let's play the video and see how the video looks like. Hello everybody, hello everyone, I welcome you to my YouTube channel. My name is Edward Amakun, and as usual on this particular channel, this is what we do. So you see, this is a very simple video that I did today. So I'm going to show you how to add the subscription button to it. So on this video, what you have to do is to drop the green screen effect. Okay, select it and drag it to on the video or on top of the video. Now over here, you have to directly give the subscription button where you have to place it at where you want it to play. So for instance, in the video, when I was recording the video, let's say probably you said that, oh, in this video please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Then you have to turn the timer to where you want the subscription to be. So let's say I want the subscription to be here, or maybe to be at the very beginning of the video, which sounds weird. So you can just put it at the end of the video where you think you want the subscription button to be. Okay, so in this video we are just placing it just here. Now we want to take away the green screen that we see there. So what you have to do is double click on the green screen effect that we added on top of the video. Double click and you are going to get something like this. Now with this, we have video, you have audio, you have color, and then you have animation. Our focus is not on animation. We are not going to animate it. It is already animated. Now with the color too, we don't want to add color grading. With the audio, you have to choose. If you really like, let me play it. If you really like the sound, maybe the volume of the subscription can come. If you really like it, maintain it, or you can just even give it a higher volume like this, or you can just reduce it anyhow you want it. Now I want to take away the green screen, the green that I see over here. I want to take it off. So what you have to do is come to the video and then look for chroma key. Okay, so you see the chroma key, you see the lens correction. Our focus is not there, our focus is on chroma key. Make sure that you open the chroma key, or better still, take it. Okay, click on that chroma key. All right, once you click or you take it, you will see the green screen gone. Now if your color is not green, you are not going to see the green screen gone. Make sure that you have chosen a color green. All right, if you have, it is not only green screen that we have black screen and so on and so forth, and white screen as well. So always make sure that your color is green. If your color is not green, click here and then you change it, go to more, and then you can change it to green. All right, but for now we are good to go. Now scroll it down. Now we are going to add a bit of small, you see there's a kind of white at the very background, so you can set the offset to 2 or 3 so that you can see the very well. Then you can go ahead, tolerance, you can play along it, but I always like it to be this way. Then you can just click on this subscribe button, and then now you can reduce it. Yes, it's possible for you to. Then when you are reducing, please make sure that you use the 4 corners, 1 2 3 4. Use that 4 edges, don't use the middle one. Now when you use it, this is what you are going to get. You are going to get something like this, which is very bad. Ctrl Z to undo. So always use the edge, okay, the 4 corners over here, to reduce it. So something like this, or any size of your choice. Then you can directly position it. If you want to position it here, if you want to position it at this side, the left corner down, or at the right corner down, anyhow you want to put it, but I mostly put it here. Okay, and then let me enlarge it small, something like this, which is okay. You go ahead and click OK. Now let's start the video and play it up to this part, and let's see how it goes.
Hello everybody, hello everyone. I welcome you to my YouTube channel. My name is Edward Hamilton, and as usual on this particular channel, this is what we do to give you tutorials.
Absolutely beautiful. So this is how you add green screen subscription button to your video. Please, when you are done, you know what to do. Go ahead and export your video by clicking export, and then you save the video, give it a location. You are good to go. All right, and so if this is the kind of video that you want, and you want me to do more tutorials on Filmora X or Wondershare Filmora video editing, please drop your comments over there and like it. All right, let me see you in the next video. Bye.